It's another vlog, you guys.
Really? You.
Goodness.
Stop it! You take it.
You take it. Eleorah and I are going somewhere. Just the two of us.
I'll hold you like this. You can't drool on me like that. Rockabye baby in my hands. You cannot drool when you're laying there. Like that.
Oh, it's sunny na love. What a perfect day to go out. Just me and Eleorah. Ano? Can you open the garage for me? Because the car seat is over there. Hala ka guys. Mana pinabongga. Charot. Okay. This is the first time, Hana. Maglaag kami. Di ba maglaag? We're just gonna go to Aldi to get milk, half and half, and maybe I want to go to the thrift store. Maybe we might go. We'll see. We'll see if I feel like it after the grocery shopping. But they were saying how it's gonna have like, I don't know, there's gonna be a hurricane though. But look at the day. It's like so pretty. Look at that. Oh, this is the first time that it's a sunny day, because it's been like really gloomy the past few days, and I wanted to do like a photo shoot like over there. Turn off photo shoot kayo na murag artista. But I couldn't because of I'm just gonna drive the car close to the I couldn't because it was so gloomy. Like you just lose appetite of whatever you want to do in life. Ganon.
So that's April Ryan. Even though she allegedly works for Radio 1, she works for CNN. And Caitlin Collins. Now, in my understanding as a journalist,
Gosh, I don't know
that
like
a
this.
course...
Alright, let's go get my child. Forgot to bring Eleorah's milk. Oh my gosh. I cannot live without the milk. Just in case lang jud that she gets hungry on our little excursion. Sorry, I forgot the milk.
May palanga. Palanga perfecta. Yan maganda. Sobra kaayo jud.
Alright, I wanna go now. Love you. Finally, we're going na gyud. Milk is secured. Eleorah's in the car now. I already put her there. She's over there being adorable. I really hope that she doesn't cry on me today because I'm alone and it's gonna be hard for me to... Kayo sila ay kainis. Alright, now it's clean. Here we go. This is it, Pancet. Pancet, this is it. Over there. She's over there being so cute. A child. There you go. Okay. I try not to put music on when I'm driving because I'm still not a good driver. I need to focus. Although I can talk when I'm driving or listen to music, but like I try not to as of the moment. Also, we are vlogging, so I can't have like copyright issues. So kailangan siya in a focus galore. So I try to drive like a grandma, especially that I'm with Eleorah right now. I don't want to drive fast whatsoever. The speed limit here is 40. I'm like 36 right now, and I don't want to. Also, I'm gonna turn soon, and there are no cars behind me, so I can like be a grandma right now. Pwede ko mag-drive really slowly because there are no cars behind me. Alright, I'm gonna have to turn off the camera for now because more cars are coming. I'll just vlog again when I'm in the car. In the store. We're here now, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go get Eleorah. Hi. Hello, baby. We're gonna go inside the store na, ka? We're gonna be good to mommy. You gonna be good to mommy, baby? Hmm? Let's bring your kalo, nakbe. Kaluan, be kaluan. Baby. Kalo, tabi, ha? Okay, we just finished shopping. This is Ja while I was carrying the child. It was so hard. The milk was heavy and there's so much stuff to carry. I'm planning on going to Marshall, but only thing is that it's raining right now. So I'm just thinking maybe I should wait for the rain to stop or sa baka. No, lisod ka anak, no? Lisod magkaanak ay. Ang daladag baby. It's so hard to bring the baby out for shopping or not. Especially when Elijah's not with us. Laban inahan. Oh, yagit pa kay hair. Oh. Come on, drink up. Hi, love. We're at Aldi. I just finished shopping, and Eleorah's eating, so I have to like stop and not.
I hear her. She sounds like she's behaving.
Yep, she is. I forgot to bring an umbrella.
Do you need one?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh, yeah, it's doing the light rain thing.
Yeah. I just called you to update you that we're fine.
Thank you. I sit here on pins and needles until I know.
Charot. Work ay ka.
Well, halfway true.
Okay.
Bye.
I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So we decided we're just gonna go to Marshall's. Marshall's is right over there. So we're just gonna walk there. Hilak na sa akong kaubahan. She's not happy. Why is she not happy? She's not happy. But we're in here now. I'm just trying to look at some stuff. Mas barato jud ang Walmart, guys. So nagkalisod ko, no, kaya natulog akong anak. She's sleeping. And I'm looking at this like ano, guys. Tag ani? Tag $3. Tag $3. Ay, 4 gani. $4 gani. Ay, tag 50 raman is Pilipinas. Diri kay mura na siya 200 na siya. Kauwi. Uwi, jud kay Amerika ay. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna pay na. Okay, I'm back. So nakita niyo naman, di ba? I only show shopping when I'm criticizing how expensive America is. Okay, mahal kaayo ang Cutex, guys. Ang nail polish is $4 kaayo, guys. Isa ka buok, no? Makapalit na kag-upat na nakabuok or maybe 5. I don't know, pag naka sa Pilipinas. Pero dire, grabe ka. Mahal, di ba? Okay, that's my baby. Tulog siya. She was sleeping yun. It looks like the rain stopped and I might could go to another thrift store. I bought rug for our living room. I mean, not living room, bathroom, because we have a dog and the dog keeps peeing in our bathroom and I just hate it. It's so annoying. We have to close our bathroom door every single time no one's using it because the dog, like, if he gets a chance, is gonna pee in our bathroom. My goodness. Elijah has a doctor's appointment, so we had to Elijah called me and apparently we're gonna have to go. He has his appointment at 4 and right now it's 3. He needs to leave at 3:30. Eleorah is starting to get grumpy, so I really need to go home now. I wasn't able to get anything in this store. I was gonna get a shelf, like 2 shelves for Eleorah's bedroom, But yeah, Elijah called me and I had to go out, and it's about to rain right now. She's talking to me. Nag-vlog habang ga-drive. Wow. 100 na ko guys. Howd na ko gamay. Howd na daw ko. Okay, I know this place now. I know this area. We're almost to the There's lake. It's Eleorah. Okay, we're almost home now. Like 1 minute away. 1 minute away na lang kami. We're home na. Both ways, always. Go back home. Dapat yung bata mag-bike. Okay, no cars behind me guys, so I can go really really slow. I love it when this happens. Okay babe? Home na ikaw? Okay, so if you wanna buy something like that, like a mirror thingy, I don't know what it's called, I forgot. It's baby car mirror. Ay, nak. Hello. Okay, Eleorah's home na. This dog is the dog that pees in our bathroom all the time.
Well, I was so proud of him today.
What? Why?
I caught him in our bathroom on the mat,
Yeah.
and he wasn't peeing on it.
I'm sure he peed in the other
He crapped on it instead.
Are you serious? Are you serious? My goodness,
I
Pippin.
took care of it.
I just washed the rugs there. That's why I bought another rug, because I keep washing that red one. And it's just so annoying how I keep washing it. As soon as I
Yeah.
wash it, he pees in it.
Do you know about the holidays?
I don't know. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. That's it. That's about it. This is the driving vlog. Alright. This has been Molly,
And Elijah.
your Lampineers.
And Eleorah. Signing off.
Signing off. Bye bye. I had fun. I had so much fun with Eleorah. Did you have fun, Mom? Did you have fun? Laag-laag with mommy? Huh?